Bill Gates says the first rule of any technology used in a business is that automation applied to an efficient operation will magnify the efficiency. The second is that automation applied to an inefficient operation will magnify the inefficiency. If you think about the quote above, you'll see why we're so focused in this guide on making sure your social media strategy is set up correctly right from day one. Once you've got a good strategy in hand, then you can start looking at tools. These tools can make light work of your social media efforts by using automation tools, and you can get better results with analytics. So in this section, we're going to talk about the following types of tools. Automation tools. These tools let you get your content published faster across multiple networks. Analytics and click tracking. You can test, track, and tweak your campaigns using these tools. Find out what works and optimize your social media efforts. All-in-one tools. These tools provide multiple functions such as analytics, automation, and engagement. Content creation. Here, you'll find a variety of tools in multiple subcategories to help you create images, videos, and audio content, as well as interactive content more quickly. Finally, viral traffic tools. These apps work to kickstart your viral campaigns and boost your social media efforts. So the automation category will include such tools as Hootsuite, Hootlit, IFTTT, Buffer, TweetDeck, and Zapier. These are all tools that will help you automate your social media posting process. In the analytics and click tracking category, we have tools like SumAll, ClickMeter, and Trackerly or Tracker.ly. Let's have a look at some of the all-in-one tools, which include automation, engagement, and analytics. TweetPea, Social Sprout, AudiSense, Post Planner, AgoraPulse, FollowerWonk, Iconosquare, Quintly, Sife, Clout, Keyhole, Brandwatch, Littlebird, Simply Measured, Sendable, and yeah, you get the idea. There's a whole lot of all-in-one solutions out there. And then there's content creation. For interactive content creation, you can use Riddle.com or Wedgies.com. For audio content creation, you can use YouTube Audio Library. And for video content creation, check out Filmora, Snagit, and Content Samurai. Finally, for viral traffic, check out SmartBribe or Perkzilla. So here's some closing thoughts on these tools. Set aside some time today to comb through the links in the recommended resources section and choose the tools that are right for your business and budget. The time you spend today browsing these tools is an investment because you'll save lots of time and money once you put these tools to work for you. Next up, let's put all the pieces together to create your custom social media strategy.